My name is Caitlin, and I'm the Director of Sales and Education for Circadia by Dr. Pugliese. And I'm so excited to talk to you today about our Oxygen RX system. There's a little bit of controversy that surrounds using oxygen in the treatment room because its potential to create oxidative stress if going unchecked. So Circadia uses a solid-state oxygen that is actually physically created on the skin, and then we quench out those oxygen molecules prior to oxidative stress, and it's truly beneficial for all skin types. One of the common questions that we receive is how our oxygen treatment is different from other oxygens on the market. Other oxygens on the market is usually going to be some sort of a nebulizer or compressed air that is trying to be forced into the skin along with other infusing serums. The problem with this kind of oxygen is that our skin is set up in a brick and mortar fashion. It's designed to keep bacteria and virus out, and it's designed to keep our fluids in, and is our first barrier and protective mechanism for the body. So when we're trying to force oxygen into the skin with some sort of a compressed air, you're not utilizing as much oxygen as you were if you were physically creating it on the skin. Now, another form of oxygen that's commonly used in our industry is hydrogen peroxide. And hydrogen peroxide has the ability of producing oxygen. However, the potential for free radical damage and oxidative stress is too much for the benefits of the actual oxygen being produced. So what Circadia offers is a very safe alternative. We're using a magnesium peroxide, which is a completely different element than hydrogen peroxide. And when we incorporate that with a vial of our deionized water, it's creating the perfect storm for oxygen to be produced. And that leads to a safe and effective form of delivering oxygen to the skin. Another question that we receive is how often someone can receive this service. If you're treating somebody who has a clinical case of acne or maybe a higher subtype of rosacea, we encourage you to do this treatment once a week. If you're doing this more as a maintenance program just to get that nice ultimate glow or that nice tightened, firmed, and lifted look to the skin, then we encourage you to do the treatment every month as a maintenance program. Another pro tip of ours is to incorporate the oxygen treatment with our amazing cocoa enzyme. The cocoa enzyme is designed to just very gently remove those surface proteins, allowing the oxygen to penetrate a little bit deeper, and that really is going to help to decrease the bacteria content of the skin, very much reduce the redness, and leaving that nice buttery complexion. Another common question that we receive is, are you able to return to work immediately after the oxygen service? And the answer is yes, absolutely. This is a wonderful lunchtime treatment, and you're going to return to work or go out that night with a wonderfully healthy glow. Another common question that we receive is there any post-treatment products that you're required to use after the oxygen service? And there's nothing that's required. However, Circadia's Essentials program is an amazing finish and will also help to keep the healthy skin that you just achieved throughout the rest of the month. Those products include one of our cleansers. I personally recommend our Micro Exfoliating Honey Cleanser. We also really would suggest our Vitamin C Reversal Serum as well as our Light Day Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 37.